Welcome to our tutorial on renaming multiple PDF files faster using VBA in Excel. In this video, we'll show you how to create a VBA script that you can use to rename your files according to the last date they were modified. Let's open a blank Excel sheet. We insert a rectangle shape. We insert some text in the shape. Rename PDF files. Cell E1 is where we shall put the path of the folder that contains our files to be renamed. In cell D1 we type folder path. We open VBA editor. We can use developer option or Alt plus F11. We insert a new module. Sub-rename PDFs. We then define some variables, that is, folder path as string. Old name as string. New name as string. FSO as object. File as object. Folder path equals the text in cell E1 and a backslash. Set file system object to be that. We want to rename only PDF files. So if it is not a PDF, it will not be renamed. Our old name is the current file name. New name is name like, say, invoice. the date and time it was last modified. Folder path remains the same. Now we assign the macro to the shape we had created earlier. We copy the file path and paste it in E1. We open the folder where we have our files. Okay. There is an error. We add speech marks. Now it works. We add a message box to inform us if it was successful. And that's it. The script will rename all your PDF files in the specified folder. This method is quick and efficient, especially for managing large batches of files. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.